Welcome to Easy to Learn Technical Skills. Today I am going to discuss with you the concept of evaluating arithmetic expression. There are two steps are there to evaluating the arithmetic expression. First one, convert the infix expression into the postfix expression. The next one, evaluate the postfix expression. Now we will see the algorithm to convert infix expression into the postfix expression. First step, print operands as they arrive. Second step, if the stack is empty or contains a left parenthesis on top of the stack, push the incoming operator on the stack. Third point, if the character reads is a left parenthesis, push it on the stack. Fourth point, if the character reads is a right parenthesis, pop the stack and print all the operator until you see the left parenthesis. Once you see the left parenthesis, you have to discard the pair of parentheses and you have to write the operators whatever it has in the stack. Fifth point, if the character reads the higher precedence than the top of the stack, push it on the stack. Sixth point, if the character read has equal precedence with the top of the stack, use the association. If the association is left to right, pop and print the top of the stack and then push the incoming operator. If the association is right to left, push the incoming operator. Seventh point, if the character read has the lower level operator than the symbol on the top of the stack, pop the stack and print the top of the stack. Eighth point, at the end of the expression, pop all and print all the operators on the stack. No parentheses should be remain on the stack. So now I would like to explain about the stack operation before we are going to discuss the example. So just imagine this is a stack. So this stack contains some spaces to insert. Now we are going to imagine that the open parenthesis coming. If any open parenthesis coming, you can push into the stack. Just imagine that if any higher level operator is present, then you can push into the stack because we have only the open parenthesis inside the stack. If any lower level operator is coming, you can't able to push the lower level inside immediately. Why? Because already we have the top of the pointer pointing to the higher level operator. So now take the higher level outside, then only you can able to insert the lower level. Now in case if you have to receive any higher level operator, suppose if I am able to receive the next character is asterisk, you can able to insert the higher level at the top of the stack above the lower level operator. So this is a way we can able to do the left to right operation. If the same type of operator will be received, you have to use the left to right associativity, plus, minus, star, slash, like that. And suppose if I receive any close parenthesis, suppose just imagine that if I receive any close parenthesis, you have to take the all the operators from the stack. So first you have to take the star operator, then you have to take the plus operator and ignore the open and close parenthesis once you completed the operation. And this is a way we have to do the push and pop operations for the infix to postfix expression. Now I am going to discuss with the example a star b plus open parenthesis c minus d division of e, then close parenthesis, and this is a symbol represents end of the operation. So consider this is a stack. Now I like to read the character and you have to place the output also. So the characters are, we will read one by one. The first character is called as a. So while we reading the a, the rule number 1 says that print operands as they arrive. So you have to write the output as they arrive in the operand. And the next one is called as asterisk operator. So you cannot able to write it in the output screen. Instead of that, you have to push into the stack. So here I am going to push into the stack directly. Why? Because there is no operator already exists in the stack. Now we are going to read the next operand is called as b. The next character is called b. So b is a operand. So rule number 1 says that you have to print the operand directly on the output. And the next character is called as plus. So plus is an operator. So you have to push into the stack. So while we pushing the operator inside the stack, you have to check the top of the pointer. If the top of the stack pointing to the any higher level operator, you have to take the higher level outside, then only you can insert the lower level operator. The higher level operator is called as asterisk. You have to take it out and then only you can push the lower level operator. Now the plus operator will be pushed into the stack. The next character is called as open parenthesis. So now you have to read the open parenthesis. So once you read the open parenthesis, you can directly push into the stack. There is no objection, simply you can push. The next character is called as C. So C is an operand, so directly you can write it on the output screen. So the character is called as C. And then next character is called as minus. So you have to read the minus. So minus is the operator, so you have to push into the stack. So while we pushing the stack, you have to check that any higher level operator is present inside the stack or not. There is no higher level operator is present inside the stack, so simply you can insert the minus operator into the stack. And the next character is called as a D. So D is an operand, so I can directly write it on the output screen. The next operator is called as division. So division is called as an operator, so you have to push into the stack. So before that you have to check any higher level operator is present inside the stack or not, or else equal precedence operator is present inside the stack or not. So already we don't have any equal precedence or higher precedence inside the stack, only lower precedence operator is there. So you can push the slash operator inside the stack. Now next character is called as E. So E is called as operand, so directly you can write it on the screen. You have to read the close parenthesis. The next character is called as a close parenthesis. So if it is a close parenthesis, just push it to the stack, and now you have to take all the open and close parenthesis, and whatever the characters inside the open and close parenthesis, you have to take all the things out. And while we writing the answer, first operator is called as coming out is called slash, and the next operator is called as minus. And now ignore the parenthesis while you writing the answer. And now the plus operator alone present inside the stack. Once we read this hash symbol, you have to take the all the operators whatever it has present in the stack, and the final operator is called as plus. So the plus operator is coming out of, and now this is called as the postfix expression, AB star CDE slash minus plus. So this is the way we have to convert the infix to postfix expression. So the final outcome is we receive. Now we are going to evaluate this expression whether it is correct or not. We are going to check through the operation is called as evaluating the postfix expression. Through step number 1, create a stack to store the operands. Second, scan the given expression and do the following every scanned element. So the number 1 step, if a element is an operand, push it into the value on the stack. Then number 2, if the element is an operator, pop 2 top of the values from the stack and apply the operator, and the result should be stored on the top of the stack again. So already we know the postfix expression. So AB star CDE slash minus plus. So this is a expression whatever we converted from the previous statement, and now we are going to evaluate this expression using some values. So this is operand and this is a value A for 2, B for 3, C for 4, D for 4, E for 2. Now we are going to take this expression AB star CDE slash minus plus. So now we will read the value one by one. So this is the expression. So for this expression I am going to read the value of number 2. The rule says that whatever the expression value you are going to read, the operand value should be inserted to the stack. So A value should be inserted into the stack, and the next character is called as B. B value should be inserted into the stack, and the next character is star. So whenever we are going to read the star operator, you have to push it into the stack and do the operation, and the answer is called as 3 star 2. The answer is called as 6. The answer should be stored into the stack. And now we are going to read the value of C. C value is called as 4, and D value is called as 4, and E value is called as 2. And next now we read the character is called as slash. So while we doing the slash operation, you have to take the top 2 characters, 4 divided by 2. The answer is called as a 2. The 2 will be pushed into the stack. Now we are going to read the character is called as minus. So this is operator. So you have to do the operation 4 minus 2. The answer is called as 2. The 2 will be pushed into the stack. Then we are going to read the final character is called as plus. So if it is a character is operator, so you have to do the operation 6 plus 2. Then the answer is called as 8. And the 8 will be pushed into the stack. And finally you have to take this value from the stack, and your final answer is called as 8. So this is your final evaluation of the infix to postfix expression. Now we will check the actual value of the infix expression. The actual infix expression is A star P plus C minus D slash E close parenthesis. A value is called as a 2 star, B value is 3 plus 4 minus 4 slash 2. So 2 cross 3, your answer is 6 plus 4 minus 4 divided by 2. The higher preference go to the division operation. So here 4 minus 2. The answer is called as 2. The final outcome is 6 plus 2. The answer is 8. And this is a way we have to do the evaluation of infix to postfix expression. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you.